Which way you going, left or right, bro? Ah, hell no! Flip that! What a night! What a crazy night! What the freak was that that hit my foot? I don't know what that was, but something just hit my foot. Anyway, great night with the boys. Yeah, White Shed was amazing. But we're just out having fun now. We're riding. Sounds like he's gonna launch.
A few moments later.
That was mad. Damn, London is busy. What the hell? What's going on? This is a madness. This is super busy. Wow, I'm so glad I had my wheelie control turned up, because this bike was the front end was really just lifting up. It was lifting. Yes, what good bit of fun. Ooh. Yeah guys, great night. I'm sorry for not talking much. We had fun, my stomach is full up. Yeah, that was a successful first link up anyway. Right people, good vibes, hell yeah. We're gonna do another one again. If you guys see these link ups you wanna join in, then why not join in? Follow me on Instagram at XavzLife, and yeah, join in. And subscribe, why yeah, subscribe to the channel, like and share. Yeah. But that dry clutch on that is something else, I love it. Is nice. They love it. Oh, hell to no. Guys, great ride. I don't want to go home yet. I'm trying to figure out where else I can go. For real. Where else can I go? Oh, what a night. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. That was actually hilarious. Good meal, good ride, great bikes, great fun. Yeah, overall that was hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. That was just funny. Get through this traffic for starters. Boy. Well, guys, it's been an absolutely hilarious night. That was a great meet, and yeah, thank you to all of those that turned up anyway. That was a nice little meet. So yeah, we had a good amount of bites, great people, absolutely hilarious. I mean, that was just so funny. And that, yeah, that bike shed that'll just be that night there will be a night to remember. That was just absolutely hilarious. Good meal, good food, good vibes, good jokes, and let's say there's definitely some flirtatious people there. Oh my goodness. Yeah, great night. Anyway guys, I'm tuning up. So like I said, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, you know, the standard stuff. And yeah, there'll be more to come. I want to ride this bike as much as just for you guys, get as much content as possible. So stay tuned, show some love. Thank you for watching.